Hey guys, it's Wes, Not Your Normal Miner here. Today we got another episode of Worker Work for you. That's right, our Worker Work series is the day-to-day life of a GPU farmer, GPU farm operator. It's been a busy day, it's been a great day, finishing off a great week. As always, I want to send a huge shout out to you guys. Thank you to the community for having us in your home. A huge shout out to the team out here. Great week, way to kick butt. By the way, good goal for the day. We broke our record, 6,300. Yay! Great job, guys. So, on this episode of Worker Works, I want to show you a little bit on what we've been doing. Right over my hand here is a hole. That's right, we put a hole in. We got a lot of networking we've been doing. But in that hole, you might be able to see is a blue line. That's fiber. That's right, we're running fiber, having a lot of fun doing it. So one of the things we've been working on today, while the team's been kicking butt and taking names with getting stability, GPU count, working on other networking things, well, we brought that in. And you got it right there. So we got a fiber line all the way back to our server room. So that's pretty sweet, excited about that. As always, guys, comment down below, let us know what you think of the Worker Work series. Ask us what questions, let us know what else you want to see in the Worker Work section. But we've been doing that, we got that line ran, and you can see right there's another hole. We'll finish it up all the tidying, make everything else look good here in just a little bit. But we got that back on there now, so we can finish running, finish setting up our network. Been doing a whole new network revamp. As we showed you before, lots of things moving around. So this episode of Worker Work was just kind of showing you a little bit about that. Also, we didn't get a lot of work done over here on moving rigs. That's going to be the next couple days. We'll get back onto that. It was very important for us to get that networking done so we can get some other things. Wow, what a beast though. So, as always, if you're new to the channel, this is a great time to hit that subscription icon over there. That way you can keep up with all of the Worker Work series. You guys can see we got the crash car here, been jamming the tunes as we do it. You can see these were filled with workers. We got all those moved over there. I got two more rows to do, and then we're gonna make the swap. Once we make the swap over here, I can start getting more of these ones in the back and more of these other 13 GPU workers in these rows over here. So as always, guys, give us a thumbs up if you like these kinds of videos. Comment down below, let us know what questions you have, what else you want us to show in the Worker Work series. We got a lot of fun things that coming in the pipeline. It was a busy morning for us, a lot of planning. I can't wait to get that ultimate GPU mining rig build guide for you guys. That's going to be probably an 8 or 9 part series. Very excited about that, culminating with building a 13 GPU mining rig. We're going to break down motherboards, power supplies, CPUs, RAM, rig frames, GPUs, everything. We'll show you where you can get them. As always, got to send a huge shout out to the community, Savage Mine, Serpent XFF, Special Forces. Huge shout out to Doge Lord, love the gear. As always, if you guys can, make sure you check out Crypto Swag, hashtag Crypto Swag Fridays. We have a lot of fun with that. We're wrapping things up with this episode of Worker Work. Just been doing a lot of networking, a lot of prep work, a lot of great things in the pipeline. Can't wait to show you guys everything. Thank you guys for your time. My name's Wes. I'm Not Your Normal Miner. This has been an episode of Worker Work. Thank you.